Chapter 7 Programming in Scratch 3.0 Chapter Ethics Block and its types Block category Sensing input and execution Variables category Operators category Using the keyboard keys Reasoning to make decisions Conditional programming Block You have learned in the previous class that each block in the blocks palette denotes a command that can be given to the sprite. To create a script in the script area, you need to connect different blocks from top to bottom. This script is known as the program block. Each block has a definite shape. The shape of the block helps in determining where it can be positioned. Let us learn about the 6 different block shapes used in Scratch 3.0. Types of blocks. Head blocks. When clicked. These blocks are used to begin every script as it has rounded top and a bump at the bottom. The other block can be placed only below these because of shape. There are 11 head blocks found in the Scratch editor, 6 of which are in the events category, 1 in the control category and 1 in the my block category if custom block is created. Stack blocks. Move 10 steps. These blocks have a notch at the top and bump at the bottom. The stack blocks can be placed both at the top and bottom. There are 77 stack blocks in total. Boolean block. Touching color. These blocks denote two conditions, true and false. There are 13 blocks with hexagonal shapes. Reporter blocks. Exposition. These blocks can hold numbers and strings. They are used when a value is needed inside another block. They are 37 in number, shaped with rounded corners. C block. Repeat 10. These blocks resemble the shape of the English letter C, also known as wrap blocks. They wrap or loop other blocks. A total number of 5 blocks are found in the control category. Cap blocks. Stop all. These blocks are used to end the script. They have a notch at the top and a flat bottom. Therefore, no block can be placed below them. In control category, 2 cap blocks are found. Advance your knowledge. Scratch 3.0 has a number of extensions that can be added to the blocks palette. There are 119 blocks in Scratch 3.0 excluding extensions. Block categories. You have already studied about motion, looks and sound blocks in the previous class. In this chapter, you will learn about some more categories of blocks. These blocks have different colors and functions. It makes identifying these blocks easy. Different block categories. Block category, function, icon. Events. These blocks control events and the starting stopping of a script. There are 8 in number. Control. This includes blocks that control the execution of a script. There are 11 control blocks. Sensing. These blocks are used to sense if the sprites touch each other or if they are at a distance from each other. It also includes blocks that help to set the runtime of a project. There are 21 in number. Operators. They are used to perform math functions and Boolean operations in a script. They are 18 in number. Variables. These blocks are known to hold values and strings. They are 5 in number. My blocks. These blocks are used for creating customized blocks. Sensing input and execution. The sensing block menu has light blue color coded blocks, which are used to sense the keyboard input before displaying the script. The input can be a question where you have to answer using the keyboard, touching any specific color, touching another sprite on the stage, and so on. To create such a project, follow these steps. In a new project, add a new backdrop and sprite on the stage similar to figure A. Create a script similar to figure B. Sensing block prompts the user to type input using the keyboard and stores the keyboard input in the answer block. The question appears in a speech bubble on the stage. Enter the answer. The answer button to run the script. When the question bubble or bar appears on the stage, type your answer and press the enter key. The sprite says the answer using the save block. Variables category. To run a computer program, data input is required. The data can be in the form of text, number, date, currency, image, and so on. As the value of data may vary, the computer creates space in its memory to store the data. These memory locations are known as variables. The value of the variable changes at the time of execution of the program. A variable can be defined using the variables block menu in the Scratch program. The blocks in the variables category are as follows. Different blocks in variables category. Block. Functions. My variable. In this block, after selecting the checkbox, the block appears on the stage and shows the current value of the variable. Set. My variable to. It sets the value of the assigned variable. Show variable. My variable. It shows the variable and its value on the stage. Hide variable. My variable. It hides the variables and its value on the stage. Creating a variable. To create a variable, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the Make a Variable button. Step 2. The New Variable dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the name of the variable and click OK. Using a variable in a script. To create a variable in the project, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Make a Variable button in the Variables block palette. Step 2. The New Variable dialog box appears. Type the variable name in the Variable Name text box. Define whether this variable is for all the sprites or just for this sprite. Step 3. Place the block in the script area. Execute the project and see the output. Operators category. The operators block menu has light green color coded which are used to perform mathematical functions and Boolean operations in a script. Some of the blocks in the operators category are as follows. Different operators and their functions. Blocks. Functions. Plus. This block performs addition. Minus. This block performs subtraction. Multiply. This block performs multiplication. Divided. This block performs division. Pick random 1 to 10. This block randomly chooses a number from or within the specified numbers. Less than 50. This block checks for greater than condition. Greater than 50. This block checks for less than condition is equal to 50. This block checks for equal to condition. Using mathematical operators to perform calculations in a Scratch project, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a new project in Scratch. Delete the default cat sprite. Step 2. Select the Danny sprite from the sprite library. Step 3. Add the code as shown in the script area. Step 4. Execute the project. The following output will appear. Similarly, you can use operators to add, multiply, or divide. Using the keyboard keys. Some blocks in Scratch run with the help of keyboard keys. The when bracket key pressed block performs an action once the keyboard key is pressed. The keyboard keys can be selected from the drop-down arrow inside the block. The blocks placed after this block only execute once the selected key is pressed. Step 1. Open a new project in Scratch. Step 2. Create the scripts for the sprite as shown in figure. Step 3. Note that you have created more than one script for one sprite. Step 4. Press the keyboard keys to execute the script. The script corresponding to the pressed key is executed. You can press the keys multiple times to observe the effect. Thinking to solve it. Let us consider a general situation to understand the concept. For example, you have to choose dance or shapes is given. In the sequence, the first shape has 3 sides, the second shape has 4 sides, and the third shape has 5 sides. Condition. In the sequence, the number of sides of the shape is increasing by 1. Solution. To achieve the goal by using the given information and following the condition. Reasoning. The next shape should have 6 sides, that is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. To work out the solution in step-by-step manner. This proves that with logical reasoning, any problem can be solved. In Scratch also, you can create with the help of blocks using logical reasoning. Conditional programming. In programming, sometimes a program can give more than one result. This happens only when you add conditions to it. For example, in a program there are two numbers. If one number is greater than 10, then it will add the two numbers, else it will subtract them. This will happen only if you add a condition using the keyboards if or if else. The control block menu has blocks that are used to add conditions in a program. You can use multiple blocks in a project to add more than one condition. 1. In a new project, add the baseball 2 backdrop on the stage. 2. Create the script for the cat sprite similar to the figure. 3. From the touching color, bracket, block, click on the color picker box. The mouse pointer changes into a hand icon. Click on the green color from the stage. The color will automatically inside the color picker box. The if block from the control block menu adds a condition in the script. The sprite will only change its color if it touches the green color of the stage. Click on the green flag button to run the script. Observe that the cat sprite moves all around the stage, but changes its color only when it touches the green color. Take a review. There are 6 different block shapes available in Scratch 3.0. The control block menu includes blocks that control the execution of a script. The sensing block menu has blocks that are used to sense the keyboard input before displaying the script. Operators blocks are used to perform math functions and Boolean operations in a script. A variable can be defined in the Scratch problem using the variable block menu. To put a check on any problem, a condition is to be applied. In Scratch, if, forever if, or if else are the conditional blocks present in the control block category.